Good morning.
Hi vlog. So I'm actually just at an apple orchard right now, just picking up some apples. Apple picking season is unfortunately done. I missed it this year, but I'm here with Sean and we're picking up apples, Pink Lady specifically, and some apple cider donuts. This past week was Halloween, which was a lot of fun. We carved pumpkins, so I'll show you guys some clips from that. I also made my Nana's homemade mac and cheese, which I vlogged. These are the donuts. Ellie, you want to smell? Yeah. Ooh. They smell so good. Wow. With like the mug of hot apple cider, these are phenomenal, right, Ellie?
Yes. To see? I think it is. Purple, sweet potatoes, broccoli, pork, and applesauce. I don't know what to do.
Either if I look at the photos you did from last year or just post on the phone.
I think I'm going to carve a ghost. We'll see how this turns out. I may need a pen to draw. No. All right, that's permanent, so we're gonna go with it. Okay, don't use permanent marker on your ghost. Little ghost. Oh, scary. Oh. Add a little bit more drama. This beautiful sunset. Pink and blue and orange sky for Halloween. Wow, so cool. Thai food for dinner. Ellie's a mummy. Ellie's a mummy.
The process, yeah. It's so funny. Oh, toilet paper. Oh, baby.
It makes the video that much better. Oh, you're getting to hand. Oh, Ellie. Oh, you got one. Wow, baby girl. What are you gonna do? Just one more. Oh my goodness. You're a little mommy. Hi, baby.
Ellie. Ellie, wait.
What's a mommy? You're such a little mommy. Oh my goodness.
So cute. Oh my god.
It's a pig.
He's a big.
Oh my. We are at the lake right now. Just Sean is helping his dad get the boats out. Lake, but we're here in the fall. Oh. Ellie. But we're here in the fall and just. Oh, Ellie has gone in the water. Stop it! Stop it! No! Yeah, it's chilly out today, so just sitting in the sun to stay warm. But it is a beautiful fall day. Hopefully later we'll get some like fall food, apple cider donuts or something, or soup. I think I'm also going to bake off a loaf of sourdough later. So I love the fall. Ellie. Alright, making Nana's mac and cheese. My dad has been asking for this mac and cheese for over a week. And so I'm making my Nana's recipe, but I don't know if this is enough cheese. My Nana always said the more cheese, the better. So I'm like, should I put some more slices? But you know what else she would do? She would do that old school thing where she would go like that, but literally I'm scared doing it right now. Oh. She would like cut into her thumb. Just scared the daylights out of me. But pasta is cooking. It has 6 more minutes. And then basically it's just a can of cream of celery, cheese, milk, and then you top it with breadcrumbs. And I'm going to crumble up some club crackers. Usually we would use Ritz, but the club crackers are superior. So that's what we're gonna do. And this is a comfort meal. Who is it? Hi, Mama. Oops. Just a few more slices of cheese because literally my Nana's recipe says lots of cheese. Let me get it. Literally lots. So, gotta listen to Nana. She knows best.
favorite memories are cooking with my Nana when I was in college. I was lucky enough to go to college super close to them, and best it's on weekends.
Is it creamy?
It looks creamier.
Looks like mac and cheese. We should have gotten that big brown bowl that Nana used to have.
Nana used, yeah.
Mm.
Looks creamy to me.
Mm-hmm. Looks
Balance. So good.